what do you think about the match Lena?
I think useless kahle le match. And I believe ubabazela banganawo amaphepha. It's not like they did it purposely so. They didn't have a choice.
Yeah.
But to say in South Africa it's the nearest country la singayoza makhona impilo. Into engayisho mina ne ngizothi ngiyama naye mina uJulius Malema. Because we have been like going back and forth, deporting them, they're coming back, deported, they're coming. So mina I am saying document them ukuthi singasabi nale up and down esenzayo, because we are also simosha resources the state.
You are trying to say because those people have no choice, man. That's why they came here without papers.
Yes. So bengithi mina masibeni nozwelo and just document those who are in here.
Yeah. But so I'm ngendlela ukhuluma ngakhona wena, someone can say hayi lesi lo khona la benefita. We are benefita yini?
No, I'm not benefiting. I'm just stating out the facts.
Hello, sanibonani ngiyanibingelela babukeli igama lami ngimkhenani Kenny KJ Shungube, the place of milk and honey, the promised land in Vodza Lemnyama 2, and I welcome you. Thanks for tuning in. Ungakhohlwa ke kufollowa lapho ku Facebook is KJ Shungube, na ku TikTok khona lapho it's Kenny KJ01. Follow me for more of these kinds of interviews, these kinds of videos. So namuhla sikhuluma ngenvo le it's been happening for I think 14 years manje. You've seen on the news people are protesting, marching against the illegal foreigners. People are protesting bayalwa bathi bona bakhathele ngebandvu or illegal foreigners, bantu abangana amaphepha la South Africa. So I'm with my sister here ngizokhuluma naye ngimbude ukuthi uthini iview yakhe ithini mayelana nawo konke lokho. So siswami sawubona.
Sawubona njani bhuti?
Siyaphila. Ngibani igama sisi?
Igama California.
California. Thank you very much for ukuthi utelana. So siswami, you've watched the news. You are seeing people protesting all over. People bathi bona bakhathele abasafuni bantu labangana amaphepha la South Africa, especially ma foreigner langana amaphepha la South Africa. Ngifuna ukuva iview yakho concerning yonke nje lemvelo lekalako le match len.
Mina ngithi ngimangalela kaMalema. I stand with him, but we should document these people. They are in the country already. So there's nothing that us protesting can do actually, because we might protest today and then tomorrow they will be back. So why not just document them? Babe bahlala lana. Yes, they won't be citizens, but babe banelungelo loba khona in the country, because as much as you can see a lot of activities or a lot of in South ama vendors abantu bangaphandle. As a South African, ndingasho mina ba as South Africans we won't stand and go outside sohlala erenke and sithengise izinto ukuthi abantu ekseni badle or amakheke or anything like that. As a South African angeke ngize ngisuke ngiyoyenza a standing ngithengise amagwinya. We are so prideful. So as these people are here, I think they are trying ukuthi bazoyenza impilo nabo. So why not document them rather than sending them back home? Yes.
So but Siswam, you are South African, as you are saying, when can you go to Zambia, can you go to Mozambique without papers? Bangakubophi.
Because South Africa is a country and ama resources and ugenza ama papers in South Africa, they are more cheaper than other countries. I don't think it's possible bandingahamba ndinganawo ama paper, because mina nginawo ama means bandiyenze I papers. But abantu, let's take abantu baseZim for example. There is a clip at Trendile recently it's more like 5,000 to do a passport that side. Yes, and I can only do a passport nge 600 ka. You see ukuba mawuzojonga if uyayijonga, if you look at it, we have advantage more than them. Yes, so us having papers, it's more like it is a right to us. It's more like we are entitled, because ububona they are paying for their passports ubababe ngase country yabo. Tina masizalwa, we get a birth certificate for free, we get IDs for free. So Tina, we are more advantaged than other people. So bengithi mina masibeni nozwelo and just document those who are in here. So I'll co-read near crime, because some people but see if these people bakangala, because then vele ukhuluma ke documentary, it's just we are issue nje but ayisengayendekanga manje. So now labantu basesekhona South Africa lana and abana amaphepha, don't you think it's dangerous? Because uma umuntu angana phepha lana angaganga ngendawo whatsoever lafuna kwenda akachayiseki. Don't you think it's dangerous? One thing that I can tell you is that, you see, when you are leaving your comfort country or your comfort place and going somewhere, not because you going there to try and for survival, going there for survival. I don't think it's easy for you to commit crime. What I can tell you is that itina our minds, we are telling ourselves uba they are doing a crime, and uzothola ukuthi abantu abaninzi abayenza i-crime basuka lana eMzansi, and then they shield themselves under labantu abanganawo amaphepha. You understand? So let's rather not say i-crime ikhomitwa ngibo because abaziwa. And I believe uba if umuntu bayamfuna they bazomthola. If umuntu ubulele siyakwazi brother uba uhlalaphi. If ubulele yes izoba khona and bazokubopha. Bakhona abantu abaninzi ababophiweyo ababuya ngaphandle. Let me know ababuya ngaphandle abayenzile abanye bakhona bayenzanga. Yes.
Yeah. So vele uthi the people who are protesting, marching all over South Africa, bo Sister Jacinta, Brother Ngizwe Mchunu, Mr. Mfokandabanda Phakela Umthakathi, we are saying they are wrong.
I'm not saying they are wrong. It's their right to protest. As much as nami ndibona le view yam leya iview yakuba iview yabo ba they should protest and say mabahambe. But I am saying if they could just compare and look at it ngelinyiso like another ayuba, why not do this? There are many ways that we can do ukuthi si lesimo lesi silungi. For example, we have ama borders, we have border gates, ne? If we can make sure that there are no loopholes guma border, and then maybe kube some sort of registry kind of a thing ba umuntu makasuka ngale abuye ngale and then a register laphayana and then abuye ngapha, and our system can like make something ba if tina we are paying 600, why not pay 1,000 for bona basebenze ngapha and then bayenze leyo passport babonisa ba yes bayalungelo ukuhamba ngapha balungelo ukuba in South Africa. Yes.
So Seswam, ngicela kubuta la. Let's take unendlu, you have a house, you've got family, you've got kids. Can you allow someone to come and stay in your house, ungamati and things like that, just because it's enyamvela man, he's coming from a poor background. So he must just stay because he's coming from a poor background. Let's not chase him away. Can you allow that? With your kids and everything in your house?
Yes.
You can allow that.
Yes. When someone comes, atlokopa khudula. Obviously re tlo mo lebella nkere hore okay ke mmotsise go diragalang.
No man sorry. Akakupi kudula. Umthola songenile so break room la phansi ohleti ku back room and everything. Akazange wacela.
No, obviously ngizomsusa.
Yeah. So why manje uthi laba bangasusa because nabo they didn't ask. Ba break in bangena bafohla, bangena ngemandi labanye some they've entered in different ways. Now they are here uthi wena must bavele.
No, what I can tell you is that it has been happening before. What different will it make now uba bahambiswe? Because bangenile, yes.
No, but now the people, I think the 300 people bahambisile basekana ba deportekile bahambile man. So you see that someone can say there's progress because they are going,
but they are still gonna come back
with proper papers.
We are not sure about that.
They'll be arrested.
They've been getting arrested for quite some time and they've been released. So bahambiswa babuye. So this is a norm. So rather we not play around that because we have been like going back and forth, deporting them, they're coming back, deported, they're coming. So mina I am saying document them ukuthi singasabi nale up and down esenzayo because we are also simosha i-resources the state. We are misusing i-resources the state ngokuba importer babuye ba import. Rather we document them and then kube nomthetho as I have said mhlawumbeni it's just if you am mhlawumbeni kube ne register ba umuntu lo uyangena nangu but laba bala they're already here.
Babugeli nimvile ke sisi ukuthi uthini iview yakhe naye South Africa we are free to express ourselves. Seswami kahle wena uthi President CIC Julius Malema right ngalo lakhuluma ukuthi let's find a way to
most definitely. Yeah, he's correct. So I agree with Julius Malema oba siba document. Let us not deport them. But we're still young man, we're still gonna travel, we're still gonna zikhona izinto ezizoyenzeka uba ube ku situation yoba uye kwenye country and you will not gonna like when they retaliate. As a South African, the internet doesn't forget. And if senza kanje, there are our sisters who are abroad and anything can happen to them because of lento eyenzakalayo because kwabanye abantu it seems like asinabo ubuntu.